What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here, and today we are going to be talking about when is the best time to upgrade your smartphone. So as you guys know, iPhone 12 was released just a couple of days ago. My video will be in the description about the iPhone 12, and to be honest, there's not a lot of difference in between the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So we're going to be going through when is the optimal time to upgrade, what phone you have now, if you should upgrade, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so when is the optimal time to upgrade? So I'm going to be going over a couple of reasons. Here is reason number one: e-waste. So there is a lot of e-waste in this world. Apple have talked about it, a lot of companies have talked about it, which is basically meaning there's a lot of electrical waste which we don't need, we can't recycle, I guess, or we don't choose to recycle, which ends up in the dumps and we don't use it. So I think the optimal time to get a new phone upgrade is probably going to be 3 years. Your battery life will hold for 3 years if you take care of your phone. If you aren't clumsy and don't drop your phone, 3 years will be perfect. Or you could do every year upgrade. I don't know where you guys are getting the money from, but you could do every year upgrade and give your phone to the center. For example, if you want to trade in your iPhone 11 to get the iPhone 12 just because you want to get the new phone, they will give you a heavy discount for the iPhone 11, and they will also make sure that the phone is recycled and will not go to waste. So e-waste is something that we really have to think of when making new phones. Even if it is broken, try and give it to Apple, see if they can fix it. Even if they can't fix it, and to be honest, Apple won't give you money for the phone, just give the phone to them. At least they can recycle if you can afford that option. Number two is that companies aren't basically adding that many breakthrough features for us to upgrade. So yes, there are people that upgrade, like I just said before, but companies aren't adding revolutionary things every year for us to upgrade. Of course, there are going to be people that are going to be saying, yes, I want to upgrade because it's the new iPhone, I'm going to get it. That's just dumb, because for the best example, okay, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. The only differences in my eyes is the boxy design. I think there's a new wide angle lens and the display is different. There's literally no other difference, and there's a processor. Design literally looks the same. Here's the iPhone 11 and here's the iPhone 12. From the back they literally look the same, and it's the same case for a lot of phones. Here is the Note 10 on this side and here's the Note 20. From the front they look basically the same. Yes, the Note 20 does have the new cameras at the back, but that was after 2 generations. Like I said, 3 years is definitely the optimal time. I had an S7 Edge before this phone, S7, and now I've upgraded to an S10 Plus, obviously because YouTube, I need to have a good camera, good processor, but I still waited 3 years until I got the budget, saved up and bought this phone. So honestly, 3 years is definitely going to be the way to go. And this is basically an upside, but Apple, well done for the longevity of the devices you have made. The iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, I still see people with the iPhone 6. Shout out to Jesse if you're watching this. He still has an iPhone 6 and it still works. That's so funny. But he still has an iPhone 6 and he is refusing to upgrade until it completely breaks. His screen is broken, but he's still using it. Shout out to you, Jesse, man. Just get a new phone. Come on, iPhone 6, see if you can get a new phone. But Apple have done very good with the longevity of their devices. The iPhone 6, 7, 8, I think they are all getting updates. My friend has the iPhone 8. He literally bought it, I think, a couple of months ago. I asked him, why didn't you buy a new phone? He's like, iPhone 8 is a brand new phone. And then if you do think about it, it was released 3 years ago, but Apple are taking care of their old devices. They are updating, making it faster, giving all the new UI updates. So honestly, thank you Apple for taking care of your old devices, minimizing e-waste and the upgrade problem. So there are two sides to this argument. One is you shouldn't upgrade, and one is you should upgrade. The two things why you shouldn't upgrade is because e-waste and the longevity of your device. Use it until you just can't use it anymore. And unless for, of course, you have another reason, leave it in the comments if you do have another reason. And if you do want to buy a new phone, Give me your reason. That's the same thing. Just put it in the comments. I want to see if I can if you can justify your reason. The only reason I can think of is because there's a revolutionary piece of equipment in the phone which I would use on the daily. Apart from that, yeah guys, this has been Saf Ashraf talking about whether you should upgrade to your new phone. Like and subscribe. Yeah, Saf Ashraf. Peace.